Hello everyone, I'm Khawahish Jain, an undergraduate student pursuing my BBA degree. Digital marketing was a mystery to me until I joined Quibus Institute. Paramveer searchings that for me. He is a digital marketing whiz who can explain even the trickiest of the topics in the simple way. The course at Quibus was fantastic. It covered everything from creating a website to SEO, PPC and social media. Apart from the theoretical knowledge, we also got practical experience where Sir taught us to build our own websites through WordPress and create ads through Facebook and Google. We were also given tasks on our daily basis, which not only helped us in the process of learning, but also gave us more clarity and made us more liable to complete all our tasks on the right time. Quibus also organizes activities like video shoots and script writing, which help students to gain more experience and confidence in front of the camera. Besides these, the Institute also organizes trekking programs to create a strong bond between students and teachers. I want to give a big shout out to Paramveer sir and the entire Quibus team for making the journey so smooth and stress-free. If you are looking to learn digital marketing, Quibus is the place to be. Paramveer sir's teaching is exceptional. I highly recommend this institute to anyone wanting to improve their digital marketing skills. It is a wonderful opportunity to learn and succeed in this exciting field. Thank you.